Okay, it's been a few days since I produced a video. I did tell you I would catch you up on a few things. One of the things that I've done is I've created this extension. It's 12 inches from there to there. So I've extended the frame out for the bandsaw by 12 inches. That gives me a bandsaw blade of 117 inches. They have been purchased. I will show everybody the address so that they can get these blades themselves. I believe it was out of Columbus, Ohio. They're sharp. I've got one scar there that's healing from the first day that I got them. I just got another one today when I put this blade on here to show you. I've also worked on the bearing guides. I'll try to get this one down in here a little bit so you can see what's going on. It's going to have two bearings that ride on the blade. The third bearing keeps it from pushing back too far. This will be the movable guide, so it determines, you know, if you only have a little tiny log, you can put it over there. Got a big log, put it over this way. This will be the stationary bearing. So obviously I don't need that yet, but it can really get crowded over here. You know, and I'm going to crowd it just as far as I can. I've set my Harbor Freight motor up on a stool so that you can see about where it's going to be on the frame when I get done. It's a 6.5 horse. It's the $119 version. A belt, you know, just have a belt tensioner. I do have my 4 bearing guides now. My track, and they'll be mounted under these rails so that they run on the track in this direction. They're quite smooth. They said they're bearing, but I'm not sure about that. To create the bearing guide, I had a shaft that the bearing would go on. And all I did was weld it up a little bit. I happen to have a lathe, so I cut the shoulder back so the bearing can't go back any farther, and reduced this shaft size so these smaller bearings go on it. Quite simple. I'll give you the bearing numbers. 6302. Okay, 6302. And this one I believe is a 6204. No number on it. I do believe it's a 6204, 3/4 or a 19 millimeter. That's about it for today, folks. I just wanted to catch you up a little bit on where I'm headed. Kind of put everything in place. I am using 4x4s for the meat of the track. I'm going to spread it apart 24 inches. And this is just in here for looks right now. This is going to be a 4x6 so that I can put a little angle here and not damage the track when I roll a log up on them or off or whatever. So the track will probably be somewhere around 25 to 26 inches wide. Again, that's just a little update. I've done a lot of welding. I've done a lot of scrap cutting. Got a couple of more pieces for my plasma cutter. I have mounted the plasma machine already. Got a 13-foot hose for it so that my little arm will be able to carry the hose and it won't get caught on anything. I'm probably going to work on that a little bit soon, very soon. Oh, one more thing that I wanted to show you is I'm getting ready to put a cross brace in between here, and that will help carry the motor. So the cross brace is in there for that side. Nothing on this side yet. That's coming. Stay tuned, folks. Have a good day. I'll try to keep you informed. No monetary value for this. Just something I wanted to do. Thanks. Bye-bye.